This is the Tommy's Forever Young YouTube channel, and this is our section on recipes. This recipe is the Seafood Delight recipe. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please push those notification buttons. Tommy's Forever Young recipes for being built. Welcome to Tommy's Forever Young Coleman. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's summertime, beach time, and contest time, baby. These are the ingredients for this recipe. The only thing we're not using is the tempura. There's a surgeon that recommends olive oil, but only his brand of olive oil. I prefer to use butter. Sauteing these peppers and onions into butter adds such a delicious flavor to your fish, because you know fish really needs a lot of help for it to taste good. For our fish, we use imitation lobster or imitation cat crab meat, and we salt, pepper, turn it till it's nice and brown. Then we add a little sugar and a little bit of hot sauce. For the brown sugar, you're going to use about a half of a teaspoon, and a couple 3 shakes of that there hot sauce should do it. Don't forget to mix in your peppers and onions that you just sauteed. You're going to cook this on a low to medium flame. Turn it frequently. Add another half a teaspoon of brown sugar and a little bit of hot sauce, and you're on. You want to add a little bit more brown sugar, about another half teaspoon, with a little bit more hot sauce. Turn it, and it'll brown, and then you add a little watermelon, and you have a meal. Tommy's Forever Young Coleman YouTube channel. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and hit that notification button. We love you. Have some fun.